I'm all for Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes, and I want it all from the lights to the mistletoe. Tell me one thing, is there anything that you're missing? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow.
Good morning and welcome to Vlogmas Day 6. It is coffee time and it's time to get my day started. It's going to be very productive today. So I'm looking forward to sharing it with all of you. All right, y'all, let me share a little secret with all of you. I love washing clothes, but I do not like to fold clothes. I hate folding clothes. That's just one of the things that I do not like. I love mopping, sweeping, washing dishes, making up beds, the whole 9 yards, sweeping floors, but I do not like to fold clothes. So my husband and I have band together and we came up with a plan. We use smaller containers so we have smaller loads and clothes do not get piled up quickly, which help us with being able to fold clothes quicker. So he folds the kids' clothes and I take care of our clothes. So we have formed a pact when it comes to washing clothes and folding clothes. Don't you hate when a bottle is empty? So I had to grab a new container of fabric softener and now I can continue with what I'm doing. All right, everybody, I'm getting ready to start dinner. I have some corn muffin mix. I'm gonna do chicken drumsticks with some of these ziti noodles, and I'm gonna make chicken and noodle. I love making that. It's real good. We use all different noodles. We use ziti noodles, elbow, macaroni noodles. We change up the noodles. Sometimes we even use the no yolk noodle. That's the noodle that my mom normally use for chicken and noodle, but this is on the menu for today. And I'm getting ready to get started. I just wanted to show some of the ingredients that I'm going to be using. Well, this is pretty much all the ingredients I'm going to use, like seasoning for my chicken and noodle. So we got your adobo seasoning. I use this right here, Better Than Bouillon, the roasted chicken base. It's really good. It gives that chicken and noodle a really good chicken flavor. I'm going to use a little meat tenderizer, some ground black pepper, and I'm going to use some sea salt. We started using sea salt about a year ago. They said that sea salt is better for you than the actual regular salt. So we've been using that. We still do have the regular salt also, but we just been trying this out with some of our cooking. All right. All right. Got all my chicken legs inside my water with my seasoning. Got all my seasoning in there. I even put my what you call it, the bouillon in there. All right, everybody, it's all done. It is done and ready for our bowls. It looks really good. I'm gonna make some cornbread, and after I make my cornbread, we all are going to eat.
Thank you so much for tuning in to another episode of Uneatly Tae. Always remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And never forget to create, explore, and enjoy. And I'll catch you all in the next video.